prepare for a holiday weekend, let me step out of the way and see some of the art that you will see at Arts Beats and Eats. There's an artist standing by. He is hanging his wares. We'll talk about him, his product, and what you can see. It is a Monday, and the 9 starts right now.
Well, we are going to get fit in a couple of minutes, but this weekend it is all about the Ford Arts Beats and Eats, the annual festival that's happening in downtown Royal Oak. And joining me this morning is graphic artist Tim Graleski. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So, have you been kind of a mainstay at Arts Beats and Eats before, or is this your first time?
This is going to be my second year at Arts Beats and Eats.
And what kind of art do you specialize in? What kind of graphic art do you? What's your niche?
My niche is graphic design. My background is in commercial art, so I worked as a graphic designer for well over 10 years, but I've always done fine art. I've always been drawn to fine art, and so that's kind of where I'm working at right now. It's kind of a mixture of graphic design and fine art is what I kind of do.
And why do you choose Arts Beats and Eats? I mean, it is a great big event, but why is it good for you?
Oh, it's just awesome. The exposure that's there, the festival is great. It's the 4th biggest festival in the country. The amount of people, the publicity, everything, and then the sales help also.
And was it a good move to go from Pontiac to Royal Oak last year?
Okay. Yeah, it's a perfect fit. I mean, Pontiac is a great city, but I think this Royal Oak it's a much better fit with it.
Okay, show us some of what you have here, and these are for sale, I presume.
Yes. Yep, everything will be for sale at Arts Beats and Eats. So this is a larger one. Everything that I do is screen printed. So I print everything by hand, but I do design everything on the computer. So it's that nice kind of mixture of graphic design and fine art. So this is one I screen printed on canvas. And then these other ones here under glass screen printed on paper.
And then how long does it take you to do? I know every design would be different, but how long does it spend you usually in your studio to?
The printing process can maybe be an all-day thing, maybe like 6 to 8 hours. The real challenge is in the actual designing of it, and that can take a while to do because you're always tweaking it and such.
And then Arts Beats and Eats would be something a lot of artists would like to get into because it's financially sound for you.
Absolutely.
Oh, good.
Yeah, yes, it's a juried art fair.
Okay.
And I think they have like over 1,000 applicants or more, and then we only have 170 artists. So every artist that is in the show is very spectacular and good.
And the food is phenomenal as well.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, the food, the music, everything. I mean, that's where it really differentiates from other art fairs is the high level of the music, the high level of the food, and the high level of the art.
Right, wonderful. Okay,
yeah,
so it's going to be a great weekend. It's hard to believe it's already here, but it is the 14th annual Arts Beats and Eats, and it's Oakland County's Taste Music and Arts Festival. It's going to be held over Labor Day weekend in downtown Royal Oak. There's the information on your screen, and you can get more by clicking onto our website, myfoxdetroit.com. Just head to our mornings page. Tim, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Good luck at the show. You have great, wonderful items to show us. Q, over to you.